Good morning students. Today I'm gonna teach 6th maths second chapter whole numbers, continuation of the previous video. So today I'm gonna teach associative of addition and multiplication. In the previous video we have studied closure property and commutative property. Now this is the property, associative property of addition and multiplication. So what associative property means, I'll explain with one example. 2 plus 3 plus 4. If they have given 3 numbers to add, so what we'll do? We can add it in 2 ways, right? First we can add this 2 plus 3 5. Then to that answer we can add 4. You'll get 9. Or else 2 plus 3 plus 4. We'll keep 2 as it is. 3 plus 4 is 7. Next add 7 plus 2 is 9. You'll get same answer, right? So when you are adding, you can change the brackets. You can change the places also. Okay. First you can add this 2, then you can add the 4 to the sum. Or else first you can add this 2, then you can add. So this you will get same answer. There. So associative property means this we can change. General form of associative property is a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. So you can change the brackets. If you change the brackets also, you will get the same answer. For example, we'll take one more example I'll give. A is equals to 5, b is equals to 2, c is equals to 10. Okay, we'll do as this. So a is 5 plus b plus c, 2 plus 10 is equals to a plus b, 5 plus 2 plus 10. Now 5 plus 10 plus 2 is 12. Here 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 10. 12 plus 5 is 17. Here 7 plus 10 is 17. So you get same as answer. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. So you will get same answer. So associative property holds for addition. This is for addition. They have said associative property for addition and multiplication. So instead of this, we'll take multiplication. How it will be? A into b into c is equals to a into b into c. We can consider same numbers as examples. A is 5, b is 2, c is 10. So we'll do 5 into b is 2 into 10 is equals to 5 into 2 into 10. Let us check what we'll get as the last answer. 5 into 2 tens are 20. Here 5 twos are 10 into 10. So 5 20s are 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10. So 100. 10 tens are 100. So check this. You got same. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. So associative property holds for addition and multiplication. Associative property holds for addition and multiplication, but not for subtraction and division. So when you change the bracket while adding, you will get the same answer. Left hand side and right hand side will be equal. When you consider multiplication in between, that time also you will get same. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. But if you take subtraction or division in between, you will not get the same answer. So subtraction and division does not hold for associative property. Only addition and multiplication holds associative property. Next property, distributivity of multiplication over addition. So what this multiplication property says is, this property's general form is like this. A into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. This is the general form. Here multiplication and addition comes together. So a into b plus c. So a into inside the bracket, you have to multiply this outside number to the inside, a into b. Okay, next A into C, A into B plus next A into C. This is the distributive property. A will be common. For example, we'll take some numbers. 2 into 5 plus 5. Okay, how we can write this? 2 into 5 and 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5. Let me check whether we'll get the same answer or not with this same. 2 into 5 plus 5 is 10. Here 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 plus 2 5s are 10. 2 10s are 20. 10 plus 10, 20. See, left hand side is equals to right hand side. So you will get same. 20 equals to 20. So this is correct. So this is, you will get same answer, means this is correct. So this is the distributive property. If for example, if they gave this only right hand side instead of left hand side, some other example, 3 into 5 plus 3 into 2, how will you write this? Or they right here, see, A into B plus A into C, which is common here. A is common, so A you will have to write first and outside the bracket. Inside the bracket the remaining term with the addition symbol between. Same way here, which is common? 3 is common, that you will write, then multiplication symbol, bracket open, then which is remaining? 5. Between 2 plus is there. 5 plus 2. Now check whether you will get the correct answer or not. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. Here 3 into 5 plus 2 is 7. 15 plus 6, 21. 3 7s are 21. Got same answer. It is correct. So this is the general form of distributivity of multiplication over addition. Next we'll solve some problems. First question, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So we can rearrange it. This is in one order, we can arrange it in another order, right? We have seen some properties. Using that we come to understand we can change their place. So numbers place can be changed. This digit, this we can change. So how we will rearrange these numbers such that the addition becomes easier. So first we'll take this and this together. 837 plus 363. Then we'll add 208 to it. So what you will get? 837 plus 363. See, 7 plus 3, 10, right? 0. 1 will be carry. 6 plus 3, 9. 1. 10. Again 1 carry. 3 and 8. How much you will get? 11. Plus 1, 12. So 1200 plus 208. Next what you will get? Answer. 1200 plus 208. 1408. So if we have added this and this, it will be a little bit difficult for the addition. Means you will get here, see, 1200 and 208. In the second step it becomes easier to add, no? Round up figure 200. For example, if we have added like this itself, let us see, 837 plus 208 plus 363. So if we add this first, means what you will get? 7 plus 8, 15, right? 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. Here 0. Okay. 8 plus 2, 10. 1045. Then we'll add 363. See, this is not a round of figure. This will be a round of figure, right? While adding here also, first also we'll get difficult. Little bit you can add. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. Then 1408. So anyway you can add, you will get the same answer. But since they have mentioned in the question, they have mentioned find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So we have arranged in this form and added. So this, take down this one. This is for your example purpose. I have shown this. Don't write this. This, take down this. Then this is about addition. Next we'll consider for multiplication. So same way, find the product by suitable rearrangement. First one, 2 into 1768 into 50. This also you have to rearrange it. How will rearrange? First we will multiply this 2, then this. So 2 into 50. Next 1768. So 2 into 50. 250 is how much? 100. Into 1768. Then multiply. What you will get? 1000. What you will do? How will you multiply? It is easy, no? 100. You have to put 2 zeros at the end. So this becomes multiplication easier. If you have multiplied these 2, then you have to multiply. Little bit of difficulty you will get. But here, first you will multiply. This is also smaller digit numbers, 2 and 50. Multiplication become easy. Again, the next step is much more easier. 1768 into 100. If you are multiplying into 100, only you will need to write at the end 2 zeros. If you are multiplying with 10, 1 0. If you are multiplying with 1000, you will put one more 0, right? Tens, 100,000, you will multiply like that. Next question, find the value of the following. 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. See here, both the operation scheme, multiplication and plus. In which property we can see both the operations together, multiplication and addition? Distributive, right? We will find both operation in distributive property. So you have to write it according to distributive property. So how we can write? I told this is A into B plus A into C becomes. So what is that general form? A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C, right? So what I say, first you will write the common term first. If they have given this right side, you have to write it according to left side. If they have given left side, you have to write it according to right side. But now they have given the right side, you will write the left side. So first you have to see which is common here, which number is repeated. 297, right, 297. Next you have to put multiplication symbol, then the remaining terms, 17, then plus 3. Next do the simplification. 297 into 17 plus 3, 20, right? 17 plus 3 is 20. Next multiply 297 into 20. Leave this 0 first. We'll multiply with 2. 2 7s are 14. 1 carry here. 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Then this 0 will add at the end. So 5940 is the answer. Let's take down some homeworks. First one, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. First one, 4 into 166 into 25. B, 8 into 295 into 125. C, 625 into 279 into 16. D, 285 into 5 into 60. E, 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. Third one, find the value of the following. 54,279 into 92 plus 8 into 54,279. Students, all this homework in your homework book. Thank you.